Hello students, let's continue our chapter body movements, which is chapter number 8, and today we are going to discuss about the fixed joint, ribs and rib cage, and the diagram of the rib cage. So let's start our session. So firstly we will discuss about the fixed joints. Students, what are fixed joints? Students, these are the joints present between the bones, which does not allow movement of bones from it. The body part where two or more bones are joining together, but if they are joining together with the help of fixed joints, then these joints does not allow the movement of bones from that point. This type of joint is known as fixed joint. Okay, so if I draw the head or skull part of our head, okay, so here, so in our head various small bones are present, and these bones are connected together. Okay, these bones are connected together, or almost 22 bones are present in skull. In our head 22 bones are present, and only the lower jaw is movable among these 22 bones. Okay, so our head is made up of various bones joined together, and these bones are joined together with the help of fixed joints. Okay, these small bones are joined together. These bones are present in our head, so these bones are joined together with the help of fixed joints. Hence these bones cannot move from fixed joint. Fixed joint doesn't allow movement. Okay, fixed joint doesn't allow movement. Also fixed joint is present between upper jaw and the rest of our head. Okay, upper jaw is connected to the head with the help of fixed joint. You must have observed that your upper jaw is not movable now, only your lower jaw is movable. Okay, so this upper jaw is connected to the head with rest of the head with the help of fixed joint. Hence in upper jaw we cannot see any kind of movement. So what is a fixed joint? The joint present between the bones which does not allow movement of the bones from these points. Okay, the joints from where movement of bones is not allowed. These types of joints are known as fixed joint. Where are they present? They are present in our head. Okay, head is made up of various small bones joined together. So these small bones are joined together with the help of fixed joint. One more example if I give you, our upper jaw is connected to the rest of head with the help of fixed joint. Okay, so let's discuss now about the rib cage. Students, take a deep breath and hold it for a while. Students, take a deep breath and hold it for a second. Feel your chest bone and your backbone by pressing it gently or by pressing the middle of the chest and backbone at the same time. What I am saying, take a deep breath and press your chest bones and back bones at the same time. Okay, and press it gently. You feel a bony like structure present in it. Okay, you will feel some hard part present in it. So students, your chest bone is connected to the backbone. Okay, your chest bone is connected to the backbone. So these bones are connected by ribs. So what are ribs? Ribs are the curved bones. Ribs are the curved bones connecting chest bone the backbone. Okay. Ribs are the curved bones connecting chest bone to the backbone. Okay. And these are bent in shape. Ribs are curved bones, or these are bent in shape. Students, ribs exist in pairs and there are 12 ribs present on each side of the chest. There are 12 ribs present on each side of chest. Okay. 12 ribs are present on left side and 12 ribs are present on right side. What are ribs? Ribs are the curved bones connecting chest bone to the backbone. If you take a deep breath and press your chest bone and backbone at the same time, you feel some bony structure or hard structure present there. So the bones present in the front are chest bones and the bones present in back are back bones. Okay, so these bones are connected with the help of ribs. How many ribs are present? Ribs exist in pairs. Ribs exist in pairs. Okay, if it means if one rib is present in left side, then one rib is present in right. If one is present if one rib is present in left side, then one will be present in right side. Okay, so 12 ribs are present on each side of the chest. Okay, on left side, how many ribs are present? 12 ribs are present. On right side, how many ribs are present? 12 ribs are present. So together they are forming 24 ribs. Okay, together they are how many in numbers? They are 24 in numbers, but on one side they are 12 in numbers. Okay, students, when chest bone is connected to the backbone, a box-like structure is formed, and this box-like structure is known as rib cage. Students, what is rib cage? Hollow bony structure formed when chest bones are connected to back bones with the help of ribs. With the help of ribs. So a hollow bony structure is formed. This bony structure is known as rib cage. Ribs are the bones connecting chest bone to the backbone, and by combining all these bones, a structure is formed, bony structure is formed. This structure is known as rib cage. Okay, so let's discuss how to draw the diagram of a rib cage. I am drawing the diagram of rib cage. This is the chest bone. This is the chest bone present in the front. Okay. And this is the backbone. This is the backbone. Okay, this is the chest bone and this is the backbone. Okay, so only some of the part of backbone is visible from the front side. Okay, and this is the front part of the chest bone. Now we will start drawing the ribs. Ribs are connecting backbone to the chest bone. Okay, ribs are connecting backbone to the chest bone. So start drawing like this. I am trying to show you the diagram of rib cage. here I am drawing the ribs. The ribs are connecting chest bones to the backbone. Okay, these bones are arising from the back. These bones are arising from the back, and after having a curved shape, it is connected to the chest bones. Okay, this is the backbone, this is the chest bone, and these are the ribs present here. Okay, 12 ribs are present on left side and 12 ribs are present on the right side. Okay, I am trying to show you some of the ribs present in the chest. So again draw like this. This dark part is arising from the back and this part is present in the front. Dark part is present in the back and this part is present in the front. Again draw like this. Dark part is present in the back and this part is present in the front. Again, this is the part starting from the back of the bone and it is having turn like this, and then it is connected to the connected from, you can connect it from here also. So from here it is connecting to the chest bone. Okay, so I have tried to show you the simple diagram of rib cage. What is this whole structure called? This whole structure is called as rib cage. These curved bones are the ribs. These curved bones are the ribs. Okay, and what is this bone? This is the chest bone present in the front, and what's this? This is the backbone. So backbone and chest bones are connected. Okay, backbone and chest bones are connected with the help of ribs. There are how many ribs on each side of the there are how many ribs are present on each side of our body? 12 ribs are present on left side, 12 ribs are present on the right side. Thank you.